Well, the government is shut down, so there are a few things that you need to know if you are a realtor or if you're a home buyer or you have a home listed for sale. The most affected group is going to be federal employees themselves. We need to determine whether you are or are not being paid currently. If you are not being paid, we are likely going to have to document that you are being paid once the shutdown ends, so this could delay your settlement. If you are self-employed, we will typically need an IRS tax transcript. The IRS at this point is saying that they are open and operational, but we may experience delays. So again, we have to make sure that we have enough time to pull those transcripts. So IRS still operational, but might need to allow a little bit more time. If we have to verify your Social Security number or Social Security income, the Social Security Administration has indicated that they will still remain operational at this time, but will need a little bit more time to process requests. So again, if you have a type of situation where we need to either verify Social Security number or Social Security income, we just need to allow a little bit more time. From a loan perspective, USDA is the most affected loan program. USDA is not considered essential. So if you do not have a loan commitment back from USDA, that loan cannot close. You cannot close a USDA loan without a loan commitment. So you're going to have to wait until the shutdown lifts before proceeding with a USDA loan. All the other loan programs are largely not impacted. The VA offices will remain open. They might be a little bit slower, but VA does not approve the loans in general. So unless you've got a really crazy situation that requires VA intervention, VA loans are not impacted. Conventional is not impacted. FHA, again, unless you have a specific scenario where HUD, FHA needs to step in, you're going to be okay. So all the other loan programs, you're good to go. If you need flood insurance, federal flood insurance policies are not going to be issued during the shutdown. So if you need flood insurance, you're going to have to get private flood insurance. If you need the federal flood insurance, then you're going to have to wait for the shutdown to lift before receiving that. If you're a home buyer and you have been impacted by any one of these scenarios, I would reach out proactively to your mortgage lender, let them know, hey, there might be a problem if they haven't reached out to you already. If you are a realtor or a listing agent, I think it's worth it to check in with the lender on any active transactions to make sure that they are not going to impact their ability to get financing.